Very good. Look out the football to everybody.
Hey, stay.
Yeah, come on, yeah.
You're probably gonna get smart too.
Yo, move.
Grown to a fucking really sequel.
I was looking at pictures there. He saw you.
Argument again over here.
Are you serious?
Yo, my name's fucking TJ, alright?
Kramer Freestyle. You sound like a fucking hobo saying that.
He's like,
This part is
as long as I get hey yo, fucking candy camera right here. Yo, daddy.
Yeah, this is Kim.
Yeah, good job.
Get some. Come on, yo, show us.
Hey, you ain't no Riverside football player, daddy. You ain't no Riverside football player, dad. You guys win? Yeah.
Yeah, they did.
Ow!
Sucks, dude.
Yeah.
Watch it. This shit's pretty good. Drink it up.
I saw that thing.
Oh shit! Gringo! Gringo!
How do you zoom in? You got the zoom on, man. Show her the zoom.
You're a
fucking handle zoom. You have? No, I ain't touched on.
Yo, this is Can the camera. Brandon, turn around, Dad. What? What? How would you talk? Where's your camera?
Yeah, there you go. Whose are these? Those are the bitches' underwear. Look at those fucking things. Damn, girl. Damn. Oh, look at that butt. Look at that shit. Oh my god. Damn. Oh my own.
Ready? Right here.
Yo, what's up, nigga?
Ready right here. Ready? Holla! Holla!
Look at the bulge.
Come out, man. Sister gave me a
bulge. Nice bulge. Bulge. Bulge.
Y'all fucking
Look at the real shit.
right after y'all busted right in her face. Titty fuckers. Busted right in her face. Did you, Sky?
Hey, Larry.
When you went out late, did you titty fuckers and busted? Yeah. The sister did. Our sister did. Yeah, but you was blowing out snot rocks for fucking nut, yeah. Your mama nut just laying on the table, yeah.
Oh my god.
Yo. What do you need? What? Yeah.
Go in Greg's room.
Oh my god! Look at your load, phone! All over her face!
How are you doing? Yo, niggas be perspiring, white boys be sweating. Nah, white boys be perspiring, niggas be sweating. Nah. Niggas be perspiring, white boys be sweating. Yo, T be sweating. Lee's a nigga. Niggas be perspiring. Nah. Niggas be perspiring. T be sweating. T be sweating. T, just start sweating. T, hold up your pit. Let the camera smell your armpit. Hold up the pit. T, put your armpit in the camera. Let it smell your perspirate. No. Let it smell your sweat. T, be sweating. T, sweat in the camera. T, let your sweat drip in the camera lens. Yo, Kramer, how you doing? How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing? Yo, Kramer, you gotta say how you doing. Niggas be perspirating when they eat catfish.
Yo, go nuts again, yo.
This brings you to my Yeah, do what you did in both. You gotta spit now. Yo, you gotta spit now.
Yo.
Spit. When you did it, Bones camera, you were like.
This brings us to my next point. Do not do drugs. End up like that kid. You don't want to do it.
T be perspirating. Niggas be sweating.
Do it to him, go to him. Greg!
Come on, Greg! Push it.
Arf. You're gonna kill the dog, yo. Arf.
Hey.
My underwear on.
I want to see it.
Greg, I want to see it. Greg, yeah! Aw, you
Suck.
Greg, don't worry, he can't get off anyway. He's trying to make it a little bigger. Where's the underwear?
Yeah. Kramer! What's up? What's the deal? Yo, Kramer, tell him about niggas perspirating, niggas sweating.
We already got
we
that. We don't need it twice.
No, because then it might get stupid. And we don't want that because we want a party favor. Party favor. You are the party favor.
Party favor.
I didn't do it to anybody here though. He thinks I'm talking shit about
The
it.
short taker.
What did you say?
Yo, the girls are the party favorites. I'm just a short taker. Thought you gotta rape her real hard, take a hit to the head, and then you feel dead. Smoke it up like a stove. No, it's sweet.
Break it. Break.
Alright, yo, Kramer, you're on cam to camera, yeah? Matt, what the fuck? This is sick. Bottle caps up my head. Hey, Klingo!
Yeah, who's dropping it, man?
Yeah, look at the Method Man headband. Yeah, Daddy.
Yo, Kramer, rap.
Yeah, Dad.
Method Man.
Yo, what's up now? Yo, my hat's made 30, yo. That's all res.
Yeah, bro.
Hell yeah,
Look at all that res,
Kramer. Kramer, rap in front of the camera.
Yeah, you
Tell
gotta
him how you get down, you ready?
Nah.
Ready?
Grab me
1, 2, 3, go ahead, yo. Rap.
Can't bust something, man.
And there's a beat though. Here.
Here. One, two. Kramer on the microphone. Gillis, break it up. 1, 3. 1, 3.
Come on, Kramer, get down. Show him how you do it.
I can't bust something, man. Thinking off
Come on.
You don't have to think, just say what up.
My shit's on rehearse though.
No, just say
When
what
it
you got
do
in your mind.
rehearse, you fucking piece of shit
Throw up
crapper.
one of your shits, dude.
Rap.
Don't want to rehearse joints, man. Come on.
Method Man, you gotta rap, yo.
Come on, I heard you shit before. It's pretty fat.
Yeah, come on, Method Man. I got your CD. Come on.
Yo, my brain's real cloudly, even though you know Mealy's loudly. Busted out with this new chain, cause you know you feel the pain when Mealy step through with
Platinum.
the MGD. Cause you know we feely like Mealy. Everything on. You know it's queer. He's straight gangster. Yeah, nigga. Way to whack that money in that band, dude.
Mr. Rap,
Yeah, Negro. Assault. I'm spitting salt for an assault. Dude, what the fuck are you talking about?
Snow. Someone spilled beer in your room.
That's just fucking like,
What do they do?
okay, well I told Fresh for a year. I still don't know shit, okay, asshole.
Dude,
Yeah.
French 3 is fucking crazy, right? I walked
Yo,
in
she
and this
told-
Madame Cars all talking to French. I'm just sitting there.
She told me not to even take it no more.
Serious?
Yeah, she was like, yeah, you'd be better off not even taking it no more because you already got one credit for you. I wouldn't even fucking pass if it wasn't
You
for
did
her.
that?
I did that.
She was like,
Yeah, she's made cool.
knocks out.
And fucking beer would be like 47
Yeah,
Steve's
around
cabin.
the house.
House.
I'm just gonna walk around for a little
Start
bit.
talking, baby. Go.
You trying to be dick, man. Come on.
I'm not trying to be gross.
You want to freestyle too?
Alright, Kramer, make sure. Yeah, come on, T, freestyle for the
Kramer.
Move over a little bit.
Get out of here.
Don't call me white.
Yeah, there's a box right here.
Hey, Tay. These guys are on this and shit.
It says sorry, man. It's wet.
Doesn't even say. Violation.
You got 500.
Damn! He's ready for it, dude.
What the hell? Niggas ain't shot. Niggas don't sweat, they perspirate, right, Kramer?
Oh, wait, shit, I can't.
Nitty Dixon shook. Nitty Dixon. But
I was considering.
yo, Brandon, you're on
Revenge on camera.
Yo, you're on Nitty Dixon Revenge of the Third Degree, yo, on camera. I'm stuttering because I don't care.
Matt, do it.
Dude, are you okay?
Still taping it.
What? What? Yo, that's a fun.
Like that, yeah, what?
What?
Again.
Saving Silverman, what? Oh, yeah, I'm a cheerleader, look at me, yeah. No
Then when
offense.
people get bored of your ass,
We
they
got
get bored of
spirit,
your side of
yes,
you.
we do.
That's
We
shit.
We win the game.
No one got bored.
That was
No one got
hot.
bored during that.
We win the game. You just say, yeah, Riverside, yeah.
Well, fuck you.
And you wear a uniform to do it.
See what Gills has to
I'll go. When I was getting my ankle taped, I was looking at the
About
girls
what?
though. I should have shaken her hand.
Gills, what's your opinion on anal sex?
Anal sex, it's all right, man, as long as you wear a hat.
As soon as I told people,
Tony,
Put a cap
what's
on
your
it.
opinion on anal sex? A little bit. Yo, Connor, what's your opinion on anal sex?
Yeah, girls will do it, whatever.
Get some.
Kate, anal sex?
No. You know my
Scott,
Yo, TJ, got a V club here, right, man? Be easy, buddy.
Yo, Caleb,
Take
some
it
all saying in
easy.
practice that Daryl stuck his dick in your butt and that's
No.
Tate, what's your opinion on anal sex?
She started spazzing.
Anal
That's
sex.
what I mean.
What about it? TJ's not enjoying the V
Right,
club.
yeah, never mind.
They said that they suck your dick in your butt and you're like, ah! And you
Nice.
start spazzing and you fuck!
Get some.
Douchebag.
Who's in here?
Fucking asshole. What are you doing?
Who's in there?
Yo, I don't feel like getting on me. What the
Who's
hell?
in there?
You're an asshole.
Don't come
I remember, man. Yeah, Greg. Way to sing there, bro. Kramer, where's my sip? I gave you a fucking short.
Greg, someone spilled beer on your bed, dude.
Oh, man.
Damn. Right there.
Point to it.
Right there. Right there. Look, you see it right there?
On my ball.
fucking bike.
Good job.
Sister's gonna whip your ass. There you go.
Ja Rule, fucking Dr. Dre, I don't give a fuck. Put something on it, motherfucker. Here's the bitch's seat. AT, you drunk, T?
Put on Tom Brown, Rabbits.
South Carolina.
Kramer.
9-7.
Greg, what's your opinion about anal sex?
Anal sex? Not good.
Rob, what's your opinion on anal sex?
Where's your other finger?
Fucking awesome, T. Okay, it's on there.
Table
It's crossed.
on your leg.
Slide the table this way.
Damn, Gillis.
Damn, nigga. Sure, the table's on my leg, man. It's your hurt. It's still.
See that I'm king, and since you got that nice watch, you know what time it is. Be back up at 7:30. So
I gave your fucking cigarette in my hand.
Yeah, fuck them up.
Can't waste more chance. If you wanna stop fire, never die, niggas. The niggas that don't ride with me.
My niggas.
The niggas getting high with me. Niggas don't be snatched right from me. Docking hot, starting to the rock. Yo, you looking like a rotten beat on Friday. I spit 35 to 40 minutes. Smell like the back from the click. What was it?
Oh, dude. Hey, what's your opinion on that?
This right here.
Whatever. Southern County veterans, nigga, you should do if you knew what this game was doing. Shit is 92. What's that shit out, Kramer? I'm like, my shit. Come on, Kramer. Hey, yo, Vetchel. Come on, Kramer!
Tune, boom. I was done. Chill, nigga.
I came from here to
What up? Look at the fat bitch standing up in the middle of her. Yeah, daddy.
Follow Tony to the kitchen.
Yeah, you guys got a videotape, right? You gotta walk in.
Fat Hunter! Fat Hunter! I caught you on tape.
What even are you? Bad as hell.
Fuck you, Jeff,
Class
bro.
starts the 5th. Motherfucker thinks this is shit.
Class starts the 5th, right?
It's a fucking, like, we gon' get.
I signed up for it.
Where's fucking T?
Yeah!
Fucking T's about to have sex.
See? Yeah, they are. No, they're not. For one, Bruce.
It's recording now!
Yeah, what the fuck?
Yo, Dad, this is Candy Camera.
What are you doing?
Scan the camera.
Go. Watch, TJ's in here.
Scan the camera, Dad.
Smoke a blunt.
Shit balls. Go in. Hey, yo, this is Candy Camera. That's all. You're on Candy Camera. So yeah, get the fuck out of the way, asshole. Candy Camera. Yo, who's that hot ass girl with the short shirt? Jesus Christ, Bridget.
Yeah, gin.
Kano. I'm making my rounds.
He's Kramer the rat.
God damn, who's that? Yo, Kramer, let's go. Where's your freestyle?
Yo, Gil, where's Chester? Chester.
Kramer!
Freestyle.
Where's your freestyle, yo?
Start freestyle.
Kramer!
What's the rhyme, Kramer? Let's
Yo, this is Harold All Hammer time. Oh shit, the hammer's on. Beaver! That's Beaver. What are you doing, asshole? That's Beaver on hammer time. Brandon. Oh shit, that's hot ass Bridget Pop. Oh shit. Bridget Pop. Fucking kicking me for you little shit.
Can I say that? Yeah. Hold on, man.
Let me get my hand out.
Thank you. Yeah, I'll get right to you. It's taking like 1 minute.
I got 2 left.
You'll hold a cactus.
Hell no.
Thank you, babe.
That's it. That's 3. I got this one. So I'll tell you half of them on it. Just put it out. Kramer, give me that right there. Drink a little bit. Yo, what's the fuck for us?
Good beef.
Give me the rest of that. Hell no. You just open it. Give me half of it. So I just open it. Look at this. Give me half of it. How you kill somebody? Where's fucking Kramer?
Hi.
Fucking TJ.
Pain.
Who the fuck is that? Hold up, yo, watch out.
Gills, watch out. Gills, watch out.
He gets so fucking trash.
What?
Kramer, dude. You can tell us. He gets fucking trash.
Nelson. What's up, fuck? Jackass.
You know the show, Jackass? Avery! What's up, dude?
That song's so fat. This one?
So why don't you show us something?
What?
Yeah, why don't you play football?
I get all these girls in here jealous. My projects.
Pussy ass Riverside thing. I got fucking
I can't take this shit.
I had 100 like this one. This shit do nothing, man. Except for play baseball. Playing one good sport.
Hold on a second. I play football here. I play football here.
Let's go outside. We'll take it outside, killers.
Yo, we're playing street.
18! I gotta ask you a question.
What's up, Dad?
Since this kid over here had anal sex, what's your opinion on anal sex?
I like it.
Alright. What about you, Mr. Roland over here? Anal sex. That's cool. Have you experienced it? What about you, Perry, you little stud? Anal.
I usually like from the back and shit. Sticking in the ass is the word. That's life. You know that, right?
Doggy
Sticking
or just in the ass?
in the ass and from the back is the best. That's the only thing I can say.
What about you, Beaver?
If you don't know about that,
Beaver, anal sex?
Doggy style's the shit right there. Making girls queef, be won't dip them like that. Pulling it out.
What's your opinion on anal sex, dude?
20 minutes then just stick it right in the
Anal sex, come on, man. You gotta have an opinion on it. Harold, what's your opinion on anal sex, dude?
You guys are pretty good.
Yes, I did do it.
You experienced it with
You
him?
got the good games, like Florida.
What?
Thanks, you
Diana!
guys are winning.
I'll cut you a bad
Would you like to see me naked again?
Alright, you want
Can we
to?
take it up to the bedroom again?
Yeah. What's your opinion on anal sex, Dirty?
off the beat right.
It's okay when you're really wet.
How's it feel?
Yeah.
It hurts a lot. It's your first time.
Who'd you experience it with? Where's Bill? Wait, what's your opinion on anal sex, dude?
You hit it right in his fucking heart.
Shorty! Bill, what's your opinion on anal sex? Is it good on a period? Do it. Jody was just telling me about it.
Do your hair, Dad.
Damn, you shaved it. You shaved your head.
I come back, I was like, look.
She's hot.
I saw a lot of pussy.
Larry.
How you doing? Fucking day. It was good to see you, right? You will not get
You got me dirty, little girl.
Wait, what's your opinion on anal sex?
What?
What's your opinion on anal sex?
Oh God.
Avery. What about anal sex, Avery? Avery. Damn.
I'm talking about Lotion, you alright?
What? About anal sex? You asked me. Anal sex? Nah, she's a virgin girl.
Yo, Chad.
Call her brother. Chad. You like anal sex? What's your opinion on anal sex, dude?
Ignorant fuckface. Motherfucker! Now I'm